What'd you draw, Matthew?
Me and Daddy. We look kind of big.
Which one's you? Where's Daddy? What are you guys doing?
Nothing.
Nothing. What? You're looking at the ground?
Daddy's looking straight ahead.
Oh. I write another D. And then write a Y.
What?
Yeah. What's that spell?
Daddy.
It does. Good job.
Tricky W.
You're going to do an M first. Now an A. Now a T.
T.
Another T.
T.
H. E. And W. You can do it. I know you can. Oh, that's an M. Gotta go the other way to make a W.
Hello.
And to do the points on the bottom.
Hello.
Mm-hmm.
What this way?
There you go. Good job.
F-A-T-H-E-W.